In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Nordvpn on multiple devices, providing you with an easy guide that will ensure you stay protected and private across all your digital platforms. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on the go, NordVPN offers seamless protection and secure connections on various devices, all under a single account. Let's begin by visiting the official NordVPN website at nordvpn.com. Once there, you'll want to choose a plan that best suits your needs. NordVPN offers a variety of subscription plans ranging from monthly options to longer term commitments, each with its own benefits and features. After deciding on a plan, you'll be prompted to create an account. Ensure that your password is strong and secure to protect your privacy. Next, it's time to download the NordVPN app across all the devices you plan to use it on. Thankfully, NordVPN has made this process incredibly straightforward. For Windows or macOS users, head over to nordvpn.com/download to get the app directly onto your desktop or laptop. If you are on a mobile platform like Android or iOS, simply navigate to either the Google Play Store or the App Store and search for the NordVPN app there. Now, for those who prefer using web browsers, you're in luck. NordVPN provides browser extensions for both Chrome and Firefox. These are perfect for those who prefer a lightweight application that integrates directly with your browser environment, providing convenience and cover with just a click. If you're using Android TV or Fire TV, NordVPN hasn't forgotten about you. The app is readily available from both the Play Store or Amazon, making it remarkably easy to secure your streaming devices as well. This means your online activities, whether you're engaged in work or entertainment, are covered. Once you have the app downloaded on each of your devices, it's time to log in. Open the NordVPN app on each device and sign in using the account credentials you set up earlier. This step unifies your protection across all platforms, ensuring that you're not stuck repeating the setup process for each device. With everything set up, you're just a few taps or clicks away from being fully protected. Tap or click Quick Connect to allow NordVPN to select the best server for you based on speed and location, or if you're feeling particular, you can choose a server manually from a list of available options. With a click, you gain secure access to the internet, knowing your connection is safeguarded from prying eyes. That's it, you're now fully protected on each of your devices, giving you peace of mind and the freedom to surf the web securely. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and until next time, stay safe and secure online.